my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I take my children's old table and chair set and take it from Drab to Farmhouse fabulous, because I'm tired of looking at it in this state. And yeah, I was ready to throw it out, but I'm just like, you know what, let me take what I have from Dollar Tree and redo it. So today I'm going to show you how I do it, and I'm excited to show you. We had this table and chair set for about 3 years now, and you can tell it's in like a really bad shape. The kids have worked on this and everything, so it's been peeling. So I was ready to redo it, and I used all items from Dollar Tree, which I was super excited about because it saved me so much money. This DIY was under $5 to do. Dollar Tree has tons of hooks to choose from, but I chose the smaller ones because it will be better used for this project, but you can choose any size that you would like. You will also need a pair of scissors to cut out the contact paper. I purchased this contact paper also from Dollar Tree. I actually love this print. They had a few other choices, but I felt this print will go best with this project. So I'm really excited for how it's going to turn out. Next, you'll need these Dollar Tree pails. They were 3 for $1 in a pack. Lastly, you'll need a marking tool, whether it's a pen, pencil, marker, chalk, whatever you have to mark the backside of the contact paper. First, you want to place your contact paper on the surface that you are redoing with the grid side facing up, so that it'll be easy for you to measure out the contact paper correctly onto the surface. What I love about contact paper is that it not only has the measurements on the back, but it also has different tips and directions. Just in case you forget how to do something, it kind of tells you how to do it. So what I'm doing here is measuring it out as close as possible to the edge, and what I'm actually going to do is cut it a little bigger than what I'm measuring, so that it will have enough space to me to trim it up later. It's not going to be perfect, but it allows me to trim it up and get it right. I'd rather cut it too large than too small. So after I creased it a little bit, I'm just going to mark where I creased the contact paper, and when it's time to cut, I'm going to cut outside of the line, probably by a 1/4 inch, just so that it gives me more contact paper to work with. So next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut. I'm actually going to cut a 1/4 inch out from the line. I know it's showing that my scissors are on the line. I'm going to cut more than that on the line, just to give me enough contact paper to work with. After you are finished cutting out the contact paper, you want to start in the corners to start placing your contact paper down. It is much easier doing it this way. Once I finished doing the corners, I did the whole top edge of the table, and then I slowly started peeling the backing off and smoothing it out, and I absolutely love how that turned out. Next, you're going to need your removable hooks, and you are going to need your Dollar Tree pails for the next step. Place your hooks where you would like them to go on the surface that you are redoing. Next, add your pails to the hooks, and they look so cute. Your children can put crayons in there. You can put paper in one, crayons in the other. If you're going to use it at your kitchen, they can put their own little trash in there. You can put so many different things in there for your children. I absolutely love how this all turned out, and I'm super excited for my kids to use it. They're gonna feel like they're sitting at a whole new table. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got inspired to do your own in-home DIYs. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Put in the comments if you would like to see more videos like this. If you know me, this channel is all about deals, DIYs, and decor. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!